Hello and welcome to English 102, College Reading and Composition 2. Who am I? I am Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I am your friendly teacher guide. This video that you're watching now is an orientation to our course, and my guiding principle is always simpler is better. So let's learn how to navigate our course. We are going to look over here in the left menu, and you'll notice there are fewer tabs than you might be used to in an online course, and that's because I believe in making the course very simple to navigate. Let's look at all of these tabs. We are here in Home, and for us, Home acts as a bulletin board to our classroom, and let's survey our bulletin board and see what we have on it. We have a link to Week 1 in modules, April 14th through the 19th, 2020. We began work on the 14th on Tuesday, as the 13th is a holiday. And below it, we have the assignments you'll do for this first week: Post an Avatar, FAQ, and MLA quiz. These are the assignments. Now, modules is our classroom Bible, and it can be accessed right here below Home, or we can go over here on this to-do list and start Xing off assignments that we complete like this. Why then have I created this link, which is right here? I've done this link over here because I like to feed the work to you in bite-sized pieces. It seems less overwhelming that way, particularly in this 8-week course, in which we'll do the work that is normally 16 weeks in length, compressed into 8 weeks. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on this link to modules. And we go right away into our Week 1 work. And you'll notice that all of our work is listed here in to-do list order from Week 1 all the way to Week 8. Everything is there. Links to all readings that accompany assignments are in the assignment directions. And I should tell you that you don't have to purchase any books for this course. Everything is free online, and that's pretty great, isn't it? Okay. Let's go back to Home, to our bulletin board, and let's look at what else we have on it. We have this interesting animation I found of a butterfly coming out of its cocoon, and that's appropriate to our class topic, which is rites of passage and how they change us. We will be writing and reading about rites of passage. That is our major theme or idea in the course. All right, below modules, we have our syllabus, and I'm going to click on it here. And this is our syllabus, and I feed it to you in bite-sized pieces. I don't like to have a big, long syllabus that's 27 pages long. I've probably been guilty of that in the past, and it's kind of overwhelming, isn't it? So you'll want to click on all these individual links here. And especially on instructor information, this is the fastest way to reach me. And in this COVID-19 era, you'll be reaching me via inbox. That's number one, the fastest way. And also you can Skype with me on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 2:30 p.m. and we can have video conferences. Okay, I'm going to click on the syllabus again and just scroll down all of these items. And I'm going to ask you if you're DP, DSPNS, and ADA, which is if you have a learning disability or special situation of some kind and you need extended time, you'll need to click on this information and read it. Now, something that's super important is that we are in the COVID-19 era, and DSPNS, the office on campus, may not be able to see you because we have that stay-at-home policy. So you may need to contact DSPNS by the email or by the telephone number, which I've listed here for you. Okay, I'm going to click on syllabus yet again and just scroll through all this information and let you see it's all here. We also have a course summary, everything we're going to be doing in this course. What's below syllabus is grades. And grades is where I record your numerical grade and comments to you. So you'll want to click on that frequently to learn your grades and read my comments. Below grades, we have the Canvas tutorials, and that's self-explanatory. Anything you don't understand and how to navigate this Canvas class, you'll learn in here. And below that tab, we have Office 365, which is very nifty. It has free online apps such as Word and PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going to go back to our bulletin board, back to our motif for this class, rites of passage, the butterfly coming out of a cocoon. And I'm going to wish you well, especially in this COVID-19 era. And I want to remind you that we are in an 8-week course, which is a compressed, accelerated course. We are doing 16 weeks worth of work in just 8 weeks. So be sure you're ready to take on this workload. I do accept late assignments, but I cannot accept them from you habitually or in a non-emergency situation. So be sure you're ready to take on this course load, okay? If you're not, I suggest that you drop the course and wait until the normal 16-week semester, which will be in the fall. All right, let's get started. I look forward to working with you, and my name is Newt.